You can never go wrong with some type of pasta for dinner, for real. So let me put y'all on this creamy Parmesan crusted chicken pasta. I'm telling y'all, it's pressure. Let's get into it. So boom, first you want to lay out your chicken breasts and tenderize them. I'm going to go ahead and season it with Cajun seasoning and paprika. Remember, if you ain't sneezing, it ain't seasoned. Now dip it in Parmesan, then an egg and Italian seasoning mixture, then an Italian panko before we fry it. Then we're going to throw it in our hot grease until it get nice and crispy. Then look at this. Yes, Lord. Now in the pan, we're going to come with buku butter. For the people that's always commenting what's buku, it just mean a lot. Not come with minced garlic or garlic paste. And I always like to add extra flavor to my pasta by boiling it in chicken broth. Save some of that starchy broth to add to your salt. It'll help thicken it along with some heavy cream. We're going to bring that to a boil, then reduce it to a simmer. Throw in Italian seasoning, paprika, and Cajun seasoning. Add in fresh parsley to make the whole thing healthy, then cancel it out with as much Parmesan as the Lord allows. I need all that. Let it thicken till it coats your spoon, then we're going to add our pasta in there. Toss it into the sauce till it's well coated. Add your chicken on top, and just like my name, you're all done.